Welcome back, guys, to another trading session. Now, in these videos, what we like to do is go through a scalping session from A to Z, show you guys how to make money trading the stock market. So, US Stock 100 is the NASDAQ. The NASDAQ represents the overall stock market, and today it's up 1.5%, which is huge. So, I'm going to open this chart, the US Stock. And by the way, you don't need to learn anything outside of the chart because you're scalping. So, nothing else really matters. So, first thing you want to do is go to the hourly. This time we're not going to use a daily chart. And we broke out, matter of fact, from previous support levels we had in different videos. So I'm just going to go here to a line chart. And I'm just going to get this. Okay, so there's plenty of room to go bullish on this. I'm going to go 15 minutes now. And this is an uptrend you can see. I don't need to draw a line for you, but it's a very bullish chart. So what we expect is for this candle to turn green even further and push up. Now we're switched to 1 minute. So what I'm going to do is grab my line and I'm going to put this the basically support level here, which is now where we are at, and then here. So there's two support levels. So I'm going to open 5 contracts long over here. Okay, and I'm going to go ahead with another. By the way, if this is too fast for you, I have a video for you that is slowed down, which I'll leave in the description. I've just looked at it really quick, and this is what you're supposed to do after a while, is actually come in. You don't need to even look at support levels. You know it off by heart. You could tell what's happening. So I have 10 contracts open on the NASDAQ, and this is supposed to break out to this level. And you ask me, how do I know? Well, because I just drew the support level earlier and we seen it was right here. Okay. So this candle will push up to give us a green PNL. And I'm very confident in it because here you can also see it, this candle. And you'll understand it once you watch the tutorial I left for you. But this is basically a price action, momentum trading strategy. We've seen the uptrend right like here from this. And we've seen that it's as support currently. So to us, it will most likely break out. So I'm going to open another 5 contracts here. So that's 15 contracts now. And I'm going to amend it and add my stop loss. This is pre-market trading. So I'm no rush to add a stop loss. But I will add one here. And I'll add another one right here. So 20 stop loss. And I'll add another right here. Yes, it's currently trying to grab liquidity. But the direction is already established. It's upwards. You see? So the next candle will make a big jump to the upside. So I only put a stop loss without an actual limit order. So you see we're turning from our PNL of red to green slowly. This candle will break out and we might make 200 or so, 150 on this trade. But I am looking for $100 a day on this. Especially for these videos, I'm trying to make it relatable by making these tutorials for you guys, especially if you're a small trader. So hopefully it is being relatable for you guys. So now we just wait for this final breakout. It should be in another minute or two. And one thing to be aware of is data. When it comes out, economic data, it could cause volatility, but sometimes it really doesn't matter. Once it's established, the trend, then it's established. Then it would just, push up. There it is. Beautiful. Okay. There's a nice push to the upside, you see. Okay. So here it is. And when I close it, I can just sell here. So it's still deciding. Does it give us a breakout here or... Now, you don't want to overdo it, of course, with scalping, like I said previously. You want to just make your trade, make some money, and bounce. Okay, up $30. We will take 10 points. Usually 10 points, 7 points is good for a scalp. Okay, 38. Okay, here it goes. Beautiful. Okay, so now I can begin closing. I just sold one. I'll sell one more, and now I have only 5 contracts left. So secured 100 there, and this one will give us 150. Okay, beautiful, and there it goes, $150 made. 5 minutes, $150 scalping, and you can do this with small account. Thank you very much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Plenty of tutorials on this channel. You will see them. And by the way, look, the moment I closed, that wick pulled back down. So, peace, guys.